Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hey everyone, checking in on gold and the dollar. So the dollar saw a very significant bull break here on the hourly time frame to start the day. And the gold bulls have to be very pleased with how this correlation is turning out, because we are not seeing the weakness in gold that you would anticipate with the strength of the correlation that we were seeing a couple weeks ago. So the strength of that correlation is weakening. The dollar bulls are in full control of this trend, still maintaining supports, testing key resistances. But we look at gold, and it's still forming a tightening range. We didn't see any kind of dump. We did see some pullback with that dollar strength, but certainly not a dump. We still have higher lows on the hourly and lower highs. So the range is tightening. The bulls have to break 1144.35 for a bull break, and a bearish break would be a break of 1136.41. So I still like the bull positioning here. I like the fact that they're holding up well, and I like the daily chart holding that 10-day moving average as support. Nice follow through from yesterday. And that level is going to begin, or that moving average is going to begin leveling out in another day or two, and then it's going to begin ascending. And if the bulls can hold that support as it ascends, we should see some nice bounce play out. Now, I'm not looking for a trend change. I'm not looking for anything like that. I'm looking for 1160 and 1180 to potentially be tested on this oversold bounce. And the bull miners are doing a really good job responding to this short-term bullish action in gold. Let's look at these names. We've got JNUG. Nice follow through. Close at the high of yesterday. Close at the high of today. Increasing bull volume. This is exactly what the bulls wanted to see. And we are looking to fill this gap at 535. We have not filled the gap yet for JNUG. And look at NUGT. We have filled that gap. And we're at the middle Bollinger Band resistance. So that resistance is going to be right around 720 tomorrow. If the bulls can turn that into support, we will be looking at another move to the upside. We'll be looking at 860 if this middle Bollinger Band can become support. JNUG is still a ways away from testing its middle Bollinger Band resistance. That's going to be in the low 570s come tomorrow. And we'll see if the bulls can get above that level. All about middle Bollinger Band resistances for these minor bulls. Checking in on the bears, we have JDST losing its middle Bollinger Band support and increasing bear volume. Bearish MACD cross, close at the low of the day the past 3 days in a row. So you can see the clear shift in momentum coming into the bull miners. Dust losing the middle Bollinger Band, increasing bear volume. So the bears are already losing key supports, even though the bulls are not breaking key resistances yet. Definitely worth noting that. And looking for gold. We'll see if we get a break of this hourly tight pattern before trading begins tomorrow. We still have a lot of hours to go overnight here. And that break is going to be a nice indication of further continuation if we can see 1144.35 fall for the bulls. So liking the setup still, liking that momentum, still favoring these bull miners, and looking for further gains tomorrow. And this pattern is going to be the pattern to be watching. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in. Pretty short and sweet, but definitely favoring the bulls in the short term. And the question now is, how long can it last? And we'll have to see. And the reversal is going to be indicated by either a loss of gold's 10-day moving average support or big upper wicks and bearish reversal candlesticks on these bull miners, which obviously none in sight with a close at the high of the day 3 days in a row. So all things going the miners' direction short term. Let's look at the weekly, actually. I haven't looked at those. Need to be cautious of a potential bear flag, but we are confirming the bullish reversal hammers from last week. We have not seen solid bullish reversal candlestick in this manner. This is let's rephrase that. This is the most solid bullish reversal candlestick confirmation. Of course, we have 2 trading days left to go, but as of right now, if we were to close this week here and now, it is the most solid bullish reversal confirmation since this bear pullback started back in August, and that goes for both NUGT and JNUG. So notable strength on the bounce, not looking like a bear flag, especially if we see some continuation, and we have these exponential resistances rejecting the price time and time again for both of these names. So those are the resistances to be watching on the longer term time frame with any hope of a reversal of this trend. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in. See you soon.